Welcome to another video where I exploit a more famous YouTuber's idea to try to gain some traction on this goddamn platform. In today's video, I'm going to be, as it says in the title, doing the one marker challenge that Jazza did. In this video, I'm going to be using one marker that Jazza's app randomly generates for me. I already entered all the colors I have, which is not much. Whatever marker it chooses, I hope to God it doesn't make me use all of it because there's no way to replace them. The stores are closed. Also in today's video, you will be subscribing to my channel because I want you to, and I ask every time, and a lot of people don't do it. So do it and like the video because apparently YouTube algorithm likes that. I don't know. Clearly I don't know what it likes, truly. But I hear it being said all the time, so do it now. But what's going to be different, I already drew something to make it harder. In his video, the color got picked and then he was able to use his creativity to make that color work to his advantage, where I didn't do that because I'm different and wanted to make it harder and possibly worse. So what I did was I went ahead and I drew something goofy, silly, something that fits like the times. Here's the time lapse of it real quick. Yeah, that's what I drew. So, you know, it's kind of like the everything's fine meme, but it's me. So I'm going to pull up his Arty Games app and go. Please tell me it's a warm color. Orange! Nice. YR68. Did I say I have that? I have YR07. Okay, that's good enough. Thank God it ended up being a warm color because this would have made no sense if it was like green, blue, purple. I mean anything other than red or orange or yellow. So without further ado, let's see what I do. Yeah, that's what my brain came up with because the times.
Panic of purchasing toilet paper has reached a new low.
Another fire video in the books. If you want to watch other things that you can cringe to, I have plenty of videos up to go do that too. So get on it. Yeah, like, subscribe, share, whatever you feel like doing with this video. Definitely subscribe. Comment down below, definitely. Any jokes, memes, whatever that you can think of about this video or the drawing that I did. Doesn't matter. I'm open to laugh at myself. You should laugh at me. Everybody else does. Till next time. Deuces. I hate myself.